Damn, I look good. Ooh, ooh, wee. Let me stop. That's looking real good. Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your motherfucking boy Tony, and I'm back in this bitch. You heard? It's been a while, and sorry for the wait. You know what I'm saying? I had to take some time off. You know, YouTube wasn't really. It wasn't fun. You know what I'm saying? It started feeling like a job, and honestly, it wasn't too many releases and stuff that I wanted to cop, but. You know, during my time off, I copped a little something. So, without further ado, let's get into what I copped. And let's get back into this thing, man. Welcome to Unbox on T and Tony T. So, if you can look at the TV, the last cop I got was the Raging Bull 5s. This box right here. During my little hiatus, my time off, I copped the Travis Scott's, you know what I'm saying? Box over here. I ain't gonna really do a review on these because they've been out for a minute. You know what they look like. One thing I do love though is the details. It's gotta be the details. It's that Velcro. You know what I'm saying? You see the red in there? Whew. Love it. Love it. Gotta love that. And I did the lace swap. It came with the black. I put the pink in there. What else? I copped these LeBrons. Woohoo! Put them here. Copped these LeBrons. This is a Nike LeBron 7QS. Size 10, my size of course. And first of all, let me close that. The packaging, you know what I'm saying? It's all about the aesthetics, you know what I'm saying? How it looks when you sitting it with the rest of the shoes. This one right here, this is a display piece, you know what I'm saying? I'm from Ohio, so gotta support the home team. Big LeBron fan if you ain't know. These, man. Immaculate. Made me want to go get a Dodgers jersey or something, you know what I'm saying? Play baseball. Whew. These did come with another pair of laces. Red laces. I might do the swap because, you know, just have it look different. Do one shoe white, one shoe red. And there you got. So, I really don't know the technology on these joints, but I like them. So I got them. Got them. What else did I cop? AJKO. You know, they went kind of old school with the Nike box, but it's still a Jordan 1 box. Go ahead and pull that out for you. All these shoes that I'm showing y'all, I will do reviews on, but I just want y'all to see that I wasn't slacking, you know what I'm saying? Even though I was catching L's, the weekly L like everybody else, on sneakers and whatnot, I was still copping here and there. Oh yeah. Whew. I've been stepping, so you got your off-white 5 cell colorway. I'll do a review on these even though I didn't wear them like twice. But fire. Shout out to Virgil, man. When I get my clout up one day, he'll start sending me shoes and stuff, you know. What else did I cop? Oh, snap. So I got these from StockX. I put a bid in and they retail, what they retail? 190. I put my bid in for 200. I didn't think I was gonna get it. Somebody clicked on it, so I ended up paying over retail, which is like 235 with the taxes and shipping and processing fee. So without further ado, Air Jordan. Look, I ain't even opened the box. 13 Flint. You know what I'm saying? Flint red, I should say. These fit true to size, so I got a size 10. Put this down real quick. So, you know, StockX verified. I'm gonna rip that off eventually when I wear these joints. This is beautiful, you know what I'm saying? I love it. And of course, you know, 13s being one of my favorite Jordans of all time. You know, now I can go either way. I could go red, I can go blue, you know what I'm saying? Red pill, blue pill, you know, the Matrix, you know what I'm saying? But if I had to compare the two, even though red's my favorite color, I would go with the original Flint. So that's just my take on it. I mean, it's up to you. Get it how you live. But let me put that back. But yeah. So this would be my last cop. Or my most recent cop, I should say. I ain't even look at the shoe. No, I gotta switch out them insoles. They white. I don't like that. But yeah, this is. Whew. Let me get close in there. So review coming on these, and I'll start turning out, you know what I'm saying, videos, having a little fun with it. Like I said before, man, sorry for the wait. I had to take a little time off. It wasn't fun for me no more. And plus, I wasn't seeing nothing that I wanted to cop. So, like always, thank you for watching Unbox on Toni TV. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And hit the notification bell, man, because I'm back. You know what I'm saying?